Hey guys, I just got a package from somebody in the mail. Supposedly the stomper doesn't work and it's not running, but the light kind of turns on. So I'm going to open the box up and see if I can get it running again without having to do any soldering or any cleaning. So let's open the box and see what we got. Just by looking at it, the front tab's intact, the body tab's intact in the front, the rear motor cover tab is intact with the body tab. It looks to me it's in pretty good shape. This just has to be snapped in right there. The light's intact. I'm going to open her up and see what's inside and how she looks. Got some hair in there. Got that out. Front contact's not loose. It's soldered on in place. You can see that. The rear contact is screwed on tightly as well. Overall, looks pretty good. Let me put a battery in and see what happens. Make sure it's off. It's on the off position. Off. Let me turn her on. Light comes on. Good indication that the motor hibernated on you and went to sleep. And stompers are notorious for hibernating, so you gotta just wake up the micro motor. And what you can do is you take the battery out, or you can keep the battery in and you can just jiggle it back and forth, see if it wakes up. If that doesn't work, I'll try the jumper. Yep, there we go. It runs. Runs perfectly fine. I used to drop them purposely just to make sure that everything is solid. The soldering joints are okay. But there's no reason to fix this one, really. Unless the customer wants me to, take the motor cover off and clean the contacts and resolder a new light. That could be done, but really there's nothing wrong with this this stomper. It runs perfectly fine. And I didn't even have to hook up one of these AA battery jumpers to it, which I was going to do, but the battery worked. You know, so once again, I put the battery in, I put it on. It wasn't running at the time, but I put it on, just shook it back and forth, jiggle a little bit, and it got the micromotor to spin again inside. The wheels hit the gears and moves the micromotor a tad bit, and it gets it rolling again. So that's a quick way to diagnose a stomper without having to go inside and gut it out and solder all the joints all over again. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care from New Jersey Lost and Found. Stomper on, guys. Later.